In this video, let us see what is RCCB and ELCB and what are the difference between them. So RCCB is nothing but residual current circuit breaker. ELCB is earth leakage circuit breaker. So this both devices are designed to protect against electrical faults, but they operate differently and have distinct application. So let us see what are the difference between these two. So RCCB. So let us talk about the function. So RCCB detects the imbalance between the live and neutral currents. So if there is a difference, it indicates that some current is leaking to the ground, that is earth, which could be due to a person touching a live part or due to an installation fault. The RCCB then trips to cut off the electrical supply. So when it comes to ELCB, so ELCB detects the earth leakages by monitoring the voltages of earth wire. If the voltage exceeds certain level indicating a fault, the ELCB trips to cut off the electrical supply. So this is about the function of RCCB and ELCB. So next is detection method. How this both devices detects the electrical faults or earth leakage currents. So RCCB detects difference in current between the live and neutral wires. If there is any imbalance, it indicates that current is leaking to the ground and the RCCB trips the current. So in that case, live current should be equal to neutral current. If there is any imbalance, then the RCCB will detects the imbalance current and it will trip. So in the case of ELCB is voltage operated. So it detects voltage on the earth wire. So if the voltage exceeds certain threshold, the ELCB trips. So usually the earth wire voltage, in the ideal scenario, it is 0 volt, but there will be a few voltage level in the earth wire. So there will be a threshold. So if the voltage exceeds that threshold, then ELCB will trip. Next, we'll talk about the sensitivity of RCCB and ELCB. So more sensitive and accurate in detecting earth fault. So RCCB is more sensitive, and they can detect leakage current as low as 30 milliamps, which is critical for preventing electric shock and fire hazards. So when we come to ELCB, this is less sensitive, typically said to trip at higher leakage current, that is 50 milliamps or more. They can not detect lower level faults that could still be hazardous. So next is response time. RCCB has faster response time, ensuring quicker disconnection of the circuit in the event of fault. This minimizes the risk of electric shock and fire. When we come to ELCB, it has slower response time compared to RCCB. So next, scope of protection. So RCCB provides the protection for all types of earth fault, including those not involving the earth wire. So it protects against the faults in appliances, wiring and equipment. So when we come to ELCB protection, only provides protection if there is a fault causes a voltage on the earth wire. So it only checks the voltage on the earth wire. It may not detect the faults that do not involve the earth wire directly. So next we'll come to installation and maintenance. So RCCB is easier to install and maintain. So there is no earth wire connection. They do not depend on the condition of the earth wire or grounding system. Whereas ELCB is more complex installation as it requires good earth connection. So here the ELCB depends on the earth wire, so the performance can degrade if the grounding system deteriorates. So next let us come to tripping. So tripping, there is no any nuisance tripping. So less nuisance tripping in the cases of RCCB. they are not affected. This is because they are not affected by external voltage or interface on the earth wire. So whereas ELCB is more prone to nuisance tripping due to external factors affecting the earth wire, such as nearby electrical installation or lightning strike. So the conclusion is RCCB is more reliable, sensitive, fast response to earth fault compared to ELCB. They provide broader protection against various types of electrical faults and are more in line with modern safety standards, making them preferred choice for ensuring electrical safety in most applications. So nowadays, only RCCB is used. So ELCB is not used, but can be found in older buildings. So ELCB is totally very low in comparison of usage. So only RCCB is in the market.